Okay, guys, fear the beard. All right, guys, it seems like the overall consensus is for me to let the beard grow. We're looking at 40 days of growth here. 40 days of stubble. It's coming in pretty nice. Little scruffy patch of hair. I've got the white patch here. And I'm loving all the comments. A lot of you are telling me to keep it till the end of the year and maybe do a face reveal New Year's Eve. That might be nice. Some of you are asking me to put some polish on the beard. I'm not putting polish on the beard, just like I'm not putting plugs in my bald head. I'm all natural. I want to thank all of you for your comments. Keep them coming, because you never know. I might just keep it well into next year. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, so in this video, we're going to be covering a lot of ground. I've got a lot to do because I haven't been here that much lately, so I figure I owe you some content. Now let's just get to the title of the video. If you're a hunting man, like one of my buddies, one of my best viewers, if you're a hunting dude and you like to shave, I've got something for you guys. My boy Jason Lutz from lutzshop.com. I worked with him to create this beautiful set. DE razor set. Look at that. Hand turned on his woodworking equipment. You got a beautiful Edwin Jagger style 3-piece unit here. That's not all, guys. I said set. And you also have this beautiful badger hair brush. Now take a look at these. Both crafted from an antler. Look at that. If you're a hunting man or you know someone who likes to hunt, this is a perfect gift. Lutzshop.com. Hook up with Jason. Let him know the average guy sent you. And he can make something like this for you. Now, I won't be shaving with this today because I'm going to be sending this to my boy Danny K. Danny K, Merry Christmas, brah. This Hunter's Antler shaving set is coming to you for being just an awesome guy. And Jackie and I want to wish Jackie and you a Merry Christmas. So look for this in the mail, brah. All right, so we will be covering lots of ground today. As per your suggestions, I'll keep the beard through the holidays, but guys, I've got to clean it up. So today I'm going to be cleaning it up with a cartridge razor. Now this is something I've been looking at every time I go into CVS. I've been looking at it, and I've just decided to get it. They have a series of 5-blade razors, and they have 3 or 4 different types. Now this caught my eye because it looks like it's sculpted sort of like the Mach 3. Kind of has that Mach 3 bend up. So I'm a sucker for marketing. I picked this up and I'll be using it today to do the neck cleanup. Along with that, I'll be using Duke Cannon's Hot Shave. Goes on nice and translucent and provides heat with every stroke. I'm going to go back to my boy's 3-in-1 Everyday Beard Care after the shave to soften, moisturize, and calm this wild mane. And we will be trying a couple of Bird products. In the shower, I'll be using Bird's Purifying Shampoo. And after the fact, I will be using Bird's Texturizing Surf Spray to add a little life to this limp and falling away hair. Lots to do, lots to cover. I'm going to jump in the shower. I'll be out with the shave. All right, before I get in the shower, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. It comes in like this little pod, like it's been sleeping, like the Terminator, right? And here is the razor, guys. So it does have sort of that Mach 3 feel to it. 5 blades, that pivoting head. These chrome bits really feel like metal. Rubberized here, so it's not slippy. Nice pivot to it. Interesting. We'll put it through its paces after the shower. Blade. 5-blade. At your local CVS. All right, boys, fresh out of the shower, so I have a nice steam going, so I'll go right into the shave. Again, we're going to be using Duke Cannon's Hot Shave. Spray a little bit out. And it comes out sort of clear. And the directions are you put it on, you let it sit for a little bit, 30 seconds or so. and let it heat up. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a little bit. Now when maintaining a beard, it's good to go with gels that are transparent or translucent so you know where you're cutting. And since this is a multi-blade, a 5-bladed razor, I'm gonna do 2 passes. I'll do a pass up and a pass down, just to make it simple like. So we'll do the first pass up. I'll take it up to the hairline. Oh, this is nice. Nice and smooth, guys. Good spring action. The pivot's nice. Take it right up to the line. No need to get fancy. All right, now we'll go with another pass. Second pass. A little bit more of this hot shave. We'll smooth that in. And we'll add a little water. A little warm water. Nice and transparent, guys. And that heat feels just really good. Wait a few seconds and let that kick in. We'll do one more pass. You feel the tingle and the warmth coming. Nice cleanup, guys, and a very nice blade. If you're at CVS and you've been looking at these guys, average guy tested, average guy approved. The CVS 5-blade. Maybe I'll do a comparison against Gillette's Fusion and Schick's Hydro 5 cents. What do you think about that? Shave Wars? Now the heat is feeling good, guys, but I'm done, so I'm ready to rinse with cold water. So this will close the pores and get your skin ready for your aftershave, your cologne, whatever you're doing next. I'm just doing a brisk rinse because I'm gonna leave some of that hot shave on as sort of an aftershave. I'll just go with that. But I wanna take that first layer because I don't wanna be too oily, guys. Take that first layer off. And look at that, nice and defined. Beard's coming in nicely. So Duke Cannon's hot shave, average guy tested, average guy approved. All right, next step, beard care. If I'm leaving this on, I want it to be manageable. I want it to be soft. I don't want to be itching. I want to be using this. Pacific Shaving Company's 3-in-1 Everyday Beard Care. Now, like all their products, a little bit goes a long way. We'll take a little bit of this minty beautifulness and I'm gonna apply it right to the beard. Ah, it smells so good. It's soothing, guys. It's like a minty citrus. Now you know beard oil, you know beard balm, you know scruff softener. I use them all. The beauty of this product is that it lasts and it performs 3 functions. So you don't have to do, if you are a minimalist kind of guy, you just want to shower, pop, and go, this is the product to use. Feels great, guys. Coats that beard, softens it, moisturizes it, and you smell and damn fine. I'll pat it dry. And I'm gonna finish it up with this Cremo Boar's Hair brush. I love this thing, guys. Boar's Hair. We use this to evenly distribute the product. I just applied to the whiskers. It also helps straighten those wild hairs. Gives you a nice finished, clean look. Again, all these products I'm showing you, I'll put links in the description box below. You can have them sent to you by Amazon. That'll be a win for you and a win for me. Now guys, last but certainly not least, Bird hair care products. Now Bird, made in California. They make some great products, guys. And this right here is their texturizing surf spray. I just like it because it makes you feel like you're at the beach. But this gives you some volume, some texture, and you know I need some volume. I like it because you can apply it to wet or dry hair, put it in, style it up, makes you look presentable. Just spray it in. Oh, coconut smell. And we'll put that in. Oh, guys. Oh, it's just a wonderful smell. And you style it the way you want to style it. It gives you a nice, neat look. And I feel like I'm at the beach. I feel like I'm in the Caribbean. I love their products, guys. Now, when I just took a shower and when I want to give myself a treat, I started off with Bird's Purifying Shampoo. Again, made in California. You gotta love that. Red algae, green tea, aloe vera, sea salt. Smells like heaven. And then you follow it up with this texturizing surf spray. Oh, you're smelling and looking fine. So Bird hair care products, average guy tested, average guy approved. And finally, I want to thank my boy Danny K for all your support, your friendship, brah. Look for this Hunter shaving set to arrive at your front door soon, brah. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow or the next day. But in the meantime, you know what to do. You're going to keep pushing play. I'll see you next time. Should I shave or should I grow?